And today, you are going to be doing the same thing, but instead of thinking about a way to describe your break, you're going to be thinking about either ice cream or your favorite dessert. So, in your writing journal, you are going to create another box, and it's going to have inside, I love ice cream. Or, if you don't like ice cream, you would replace this with your favorite dessert. So this is your main idea, and then just like yesterday, you are going to think of 3 supporting reasons of why this statement is true. So for example, I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. And notice I wrote this bullet in a complete sentence. So I restated my main idea, I said because, and I gave a reason why. When you do this in your writing journal, you're going to want to make sure you add space between your bullets or your reasons. So next, I also love ice cream because there are so many flavors. And finally, I love ice cream because it's refreshing on a hot day. Once you have written your box and your 3 reasons, you are going to choose one of your reasons and add some elaboration. So that's why it's so important that you leave space between your 3 bullets. So for example, if I wanted to elaborate or add some detail on my first bullet, I could say that I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. For example, there's chocolate sprinkles, nuts, cherries, Oreos, and whipped cream that you can add to ice cream. So notice that this is also another complete sentence, and this transition right here, for example, is a really great way to start elaborating on your reason. So again today, you're going to be thinking of your favorite dessert. It might be ice cream or something else, and that's your main idea. You come up with 3 supporting reasons or bullets, and you choose one to elaborate on. And again, this is done in your writing journal. You do not need to take a picture of it. If you have any questions, re-watch this video, and after re-watching, if you still have questions, be sure to reach out to your teachers. Good luck!